Welcome to Diane's channel. I am here. As I told you, I was heading to Jamaican Eatery. I am at the JAMROCK Lounge and Grill. And it's still raining here in Ghana, so I didn't get you the entrance. I'm actually inside. And here, of course, you'll recognize the face, or one and only Bob Marley. And I'm just going to give you a view of inside this space that they have. It's quite nice. I will take you shortly to where I'll be sitting, which is under a cabana, right? So I can overlook the pool. Then it's like to be outside. And this is the decor. It's quite nice actually. JAMROCK Cafe, JAMROCK Lounge and Grill has been in Ghana for quite a few years, I understand. And I quite like the decor. I really like the decor. Hope you are enjoying the view. So you have the option, if you so choose, to dine inside. As I told you, I choose to be outside by the cabanas. So I'm going to take you out. And here we have the cabanas. And this is where I'll be spending a little time. My own cabana for the evening, and the view I'll be enjoying. It's right by the pool. So as you can see, this is a snippet of JAMROCK Lounge and Grill in Ghana. The menu, I can tell you, it's not bad at all. You will find something on there that will entice or appeal to your appetite. Once my meal has arrived, I will share that with you. So this is JAMROCK Cafe from where I am sitting. Stay tuned for the real deal, which is the meal. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. God bless.